Mustang dyno with our Ironman truck, our 24, and now it's powered by our D1 HV package. If you missed this truck, check it out here. It was strapped to the Mustang dyno, and we showed you guys how much power they made. Not very impressive, but now it's upgraded. We're going to show you the potential of the factory fuel system, the factory turbocharger, and the factory piping kit on this truck. Now, the first things up is this. We're going to show you our tow file. We're going to show you the street file. Then we're going into the race file, because we all want to know this. If you own a L5P, will it compete with the Ford Power Stroke? Or today, we're going to trade this son of a bitch in after the dyno pull. Guys, it's dyno time. Let's get this thing up. Let's make some pulls. Coming out the gate, this is going to be our street file. We're going to get it up in 7th gear. I got my seatbelt on. The GM engineers are happy. Turbocharger's whistling. 7th gear, 2200 to 2900. 2250 to 2900. Now I've got it loaded down. Data log's running. Try to get you guys a long pull. 29. Let's get it up. Woo! We're coming out the gate, boys. She's even purring like a kitten. 543 rear wheel horsepower and 1,065. You got a long ways to go, but by God, we're getting there. Get out of this seat belt. No, you will not put your hands on me. You ever seen that guy on the airplane? He goes, I just want to shake your hand. Let me shake your hand. Down to business. 543 rear wheel horsepower and 1,065 feet-pound of torque. I'm digging that. There's room to grow. The truck's not very smoky. We got it peak horsepower, peak torque at 2,600 RPM. That got you guys a legit pull all the way over to 2,900 RPMs. So they're hanging in there. What I do notice about these versus the Fords do carry it out a little longer, meaning they'll run to like 2,900. Those Garrett Chargers that come factory on those Fords are pretty badass. But we're doing good. So now we're going to load the big boy file up to it. We've only got 60 horsepower to go. I mean, there's no way in but out. Load it and go out. Hold up. Let me stop the data log. There's no way. 633 rear wheel horsepower and 1,203 feet-pound of torque at 2,700 RPMs. There's no way. That is a 200 horsepower gain. 200 horsepower gain over factory. This truck did 430 rear wheel horsepower. I don't know what in the hell these things done. That's not even all that she wrote. Look at the graph. 2250 all the way over here to 2800. Now the Ford Power Strokes pulled a 3000. This thing's pulling about 2700. Doing damn good, and it's 200 rear wheel horsepower over stock. As you can see, guys, we ran that one without anything going out the rear end. I'm not believing this shit. I'm not believing this. I gotta look at the data log. We're gonna back it back down, and then we're gonna run the tow file and see what's going on with it. But this thing, that was the race file. 630 rear wheel horsepower to the wheels, and she's got more in it. Roger's still in it? Let's load the tow file. Let's hit it again. That's wild. Well, we know the video ended about 10 seconds ago because all you guys want to see is the max power. 426 to 633, but let's get real. Our D1 HV package, we can push those files however we want. Now we're back to the tow file. Hang in there with me. Let's hit it around in that 500, 520 area. You do need that to pull. I like 500, 510. And Kodiak out there makes 560. My God, I use every bit of it when I tow. I'm Hank Hill and I approve this message. Back down the tow file. Same shit, different day. These L5P just make power. So we're pulling them back, but Jesus! Let me stop the log. So that one I come up on the dyno, let it pull me down a little bit. 587 rural horsepower, 1,167 feet-pound of torque. So obviously I've got some work cut out for me to pull it on back because the street file we're aiming for 560. We did 587 on the tow file. So we're going to rework that dude over. I want you guys to be around the 520 rural horsepower. We're chasing a couple other guys on the big file. We wanted to see where we landed. We landed at 633. So when you guys call in, you're like, hey, I want to do the D1 HP package. Tow file, you're going to see about 520, 530 out of your truck. When we go to the street file, 560 to 580, depending on the dyno. And on the race file, we're probably going to f around and see how high we can get, because as you guys seen, that wasn't too smoky. So if you've got a 24 to 25 L5P, here's how the process goes. That truck's got to sit. You got to send that ECM into us or send it into HP Tuners. They unlock it. Has to be the original one out of the truck. Then you can give us a call. Takes about a week's time. So you can hit us up, pointblankperformance.com, shoot us a call, 870-236-4900, or hop on the email address. I'll put that down in the description below. Book a flight. That's all my reminders today, guys. Make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we appreciate you watching. Point Blank Performance, we're out, boys.